the way I see it, from where I sit, and from my own scholar activism experience, there's different lanes in the struggle, family. There's different roles for people to play. We don't have to. Everyone doesn't have to fight in the same way. So we got some people who are here clearly to heal us. Dr. Sabi, Lila Africa, Queen Afua. And we got some other people, young ones coming up, taking their place, that'll teach us how to eat right and how to exercise right, get our breathing and our meditation on, family. They're here to heal. They may or may not be at your rally or protest. They may or may not be in the library for hours and hours, but they're working to heal our people. You may see them in the farmers market. You may see them in on farms. You may see them on digital social media, and writing books and doing lectures to teach people how to eat to live, as the Honorable Elijah Muhammad said in his classic book. We got people who heal our minds and our emotions. We have counselors and therapists and social workers. That's the role they play. You may see them up in the front of the rally. You may see them talking about Ashe, Ashe. You may see them yelling no justice, no peace, and feeding the people, but you will definitely see them in schools, helping children with behavioral issues and other issues to get it together and to navigate the public school system. You'll see them in prisons, helping to get our brothers who are on lockdown in captivity to get their minds right, helping them through what must be a traumatic experience, being incarcerated, right? You'll see them in community organizations, making their services available to families that are in need, that are dealing with high-level dysfunction, right? So I'm trying to give you a sense there's different lanes. You have teachers who are here to educate in different capacities. You got military types, self-defense types, law enforcement types. They ain't here to have conversation. They're here to hold it down, to secure the meeting. They're here to secure leadership. They're here to make sure that families are okay in these rallies and these meetings. That's what they do. All of these are different roles, and there are more. We have diplomats. We got people that we go to squash beef. We got people we go to say we need to stop fighting with each other. We need to come together. So let's talk about how we can broker a ceasefire amongst these two gangs or street organizations. Right? Let's stop the killing. We got all types of roles.